Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We back with another great video from Boss Up with K YouTube channel. We're gonna mix this up with Credit K. So we're talking about credit information and how it can pertain to your gig job, your driving job, anything to help you level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. Be about that on this channel. So you see the title, you see the thumbnail. We're gonna talk about how you can get a no credit check loan for just being an Uber, DoorDash, any gig economy driver, side hustle, things like that. What we're talking about, Giggable. Yep, Giggable. Giggle Finance. Sound like Google, I know, and even the logo is very similar. But this company, which is based out of Miami, does a no credit check loans. That's right. You can have terrible credit and still get approved for a loan. That way, in between getting paid out, doing your gig economy drives, your side hustles, you have some money to float. Or if you plan on getting some new equipment for your job and use that, if you're doing need dollies or carts, anything like that, you can use the loan to finance those things as well. So, of course, as always on this channel, we're going to hop into the website, break down everything you need to get approved for this loan or line of credit, and seeing if it's actually worth it. If the interest rate is too high, or if some of the stipulations of getting the loan a little bit too much, we're gonna let you know on this channel. So, of course, if you're viewing this on Boss Up with K, we always boss up. If you're viewing this on the Kevin Blackman channel, I want you to welcome over there. But if you're not following one another, I invite you to, if you're watching this on Kevin Blackman channel, follow the Boss Up with K and leave a link right there. Or if you're, on the Boss Up with K, you don't follow my other channel, Kevin Blackman, which I primarily talk about credit, then follow their link right there. Support your boy. Like and subscribe. All right. So let's get into the money. We are inside Giggle. Inside. Bow. Put that thing right there. Bye bye. Beep, beep, beep. All right. So let's talk about it. Instant funding up to 5 racks. Racks. You get 5,000 just for being an Uber, rideshare, taxi driver. Of course, this company's been around for at least 2 years now, doing my research. And they work primarily with 1099 workers. And you see they've had reviews and written up with these prestigious media outlets. So they are a pretty legitimate company. Simply apply. How is not a no credit check loan? Of course, we've been talking about fintech on the channel, financial technology, and that way they read the different incoming deposits, outgoing deposits going in from your bank account, and as long as you got at least $100-$200 essentially going into your bank account, you should be approved. Also, they have stipulations where they want to see at least 4 direct deposits coming from a job, coming from a rideshare company, coming from Uber, DoorDash. So they want to see 4 deposits a month. That's not hard. That's just 2 weekends. So that shouldn't be hard to get as well. And then some hidden fees. You got simple application process, access to funds in minutes, funding up to $5,000. No credit check requirements, no hidden fees. And, they give you a debit card so you can spend the money from the loan on the debit card as well. And then, who they work with. So you can be even an Airbnb owner and get this Fiverr. So I'm not sure this is only for U.S. residents. I know Fiverr, a lot of overseas workers work for them. We got truck drivers, bodega, food truck owners, independent contractors, sellers on Amazon, Etsy, Mary Kay products. So if you sell multi-level marketing, pyramid scheme products as well, you can get approved. So let's break down what is Giggle. Giggle is an online finance company platform helping owners, 1099 workers with instant access to capital. What is Giggle Advance? Giggle Advance allows small business owners to access capital now by selling a portion of their future sales. So you can get advanced, you can get even more money by, they kind of reading the data, seeing how many deposits you get a month, and they kind of base your future sales off of how much you can get in the future. What's the maximum you can receive? 5,000. How do I qualify? Giggle does not have any credit requirements. You know what I mean? No credit requirements. No credit requirements. So, analyze your bank statements to determine what your business can afford. So you can either send in your bank statements, or you can, like I said, connect your bank account with the Plaid platform if you bank at a large national bank. So just by simply connecting with the Plaid platform, you will give Giggle access to your bank statement, so you don't have to send in the paperwork. But that's only if you bank with some large national banks or some credit unions. Some smaller banks may not be able to attach to the platform. And then let's talk about it. Is your information safe? So, using these platforms is very safe. They use, high encryption, all that good stuff. But if Target and these big institutions can get hacked, anybody can get hacked. So just be wary of that. And then Giggle has a simple application process. It takes 8 minutes. Telling about your business, securely connect your bank account, like I was saying, through the Plaid platform. And it's that easy. And it says only business owners and self-employed individuals qualify for Giggle. Your business must be established at least 3 months. So it can be newer businesses, but you need to have at least 3 months. And that's the golden rule, what these banks are looking for. If your business is 3 months older, they always look for 3 months bank statements, or 3 months. 3 months is the 90 days, is the golden rule. Is the seasoning time frame. They want you to have your bank account open for 90 days or 3 months. They want to see 3 months of bank statement. So make sure that, when you start on your credit journey, when you start your business credit journey, make sure you're at that 3 month mark. Make sure you have 3 months of revenue to show, just in case they ask for it. All right. So that is the Giggle Finance. Very, very cool little product. I think a lot of people will take advantage of this. Now, I didn't see anything about them reporting to either personal credit or business credit. I know it's not a credit, pool credit check or anything like that, but I wish we had some more information on, do they report to anybody? So anybody know that, leave a comment below. Anybody have Giggle Finance loan already? Everybody applied and got denied? Let me know your experience with them. But as always, boss up, baby. Let's go.